Can running help you to lose weight and get rid of belly fat fast? That is exactly what you're about to discover in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The objective of this channel is to provide you with up-to-date and informative information on how to live a fit and healthy lifestyle. So if you want to get fit and live your best life, please consider subscribing to this channel. Also, make sure you click on the little bell icon to get notified so that you don't miss any of our new uploads. So let's get back to today's topic. Can running help you to lose weight and burn belly fat? Running is one of the most popular forms of exercise that a lot of people often do for weight loss and to keep fit. Some people may go for an evening jog around their communities, while some like the luxury of a treadmill, either at home or at the gym. If you're thinking about taking up running, it can be a great tool in the quest to lose weight naturally and improve your cardiovascular system. In fact, by adding running to your daily lifestyle at least 3 times per week, you can create a larger calorie deficit to burn off those unwanted belly fats. Some studies have also suggested that regular running could build strong bones, reduce the risk of arthritis, and also add up to 3 years to your life. As you can see, there are many benefits to putting on your jogging shoes and go for a mile's run. Plus, running burns up to 50% more calories than walking the same distance. And for every mile you run, you can expect to burn an average of at least 100 calories. But before you get started, there are a few important things that you need to know to maximize your weight loss results. So here's exactly what you need to do before you start running to lose those extra pounds. You see, in every situation we always have some outliers. Running to lose weight is no exception. Not everyone that gears up and run their hearts out get the same results. Unfortunately, some people who start running find themselves putting on the weight instead of getting rid of it. This is shocking, but the reality is it's true. So in order to shed those excess pounds, you must burn more calories than you consume on a daily basis. So it is vital that you track how many calories you eat daily so you can know if you are already creating a calorie deficit which is necessary for fat loss. It may seem a bit tedious, but it is very important, and here's why. Most people tend to overestimate the amount of calories they burn from running. They feel tired and drained, and then automatically they assume that all the sweat must be equivalent to a ton of calories burned from the run. 9 out of 10 times, it is not so. Even your cardio machine may be giving you inflated numbers. This is the unfortunate trap that most runners fall in. But do you know what is increased after a long run? Hunger. Researchers found that many people like to reward themselves thinking that their bodies need more fuel. Unless you are some professional athlete with extreme training regimes, your muscles and liver will already have enough glycogen to power you through your running exercises. Therefore, there's no need for a big reward to make up for the lost fuel. Rewarding yourself will make your run null and void by cancelling out all the calorie burn you just worked so hard for. So how can running actually help you to lose weight while improving your heart simultaneously? There are quite a few things that you can do to ensure that you get the most from your running exercises. Here are some tips to follow that will help you to maximize your fat burn while improving your heart, avoiding injuries, and get better over time and reach your fitness goals. Tip number 1. Start off by setting small goals. Maybe your objective is to run a 5K marathon someday. The truth is, if you're just getting started, getting to the level of running a 5K will take some amount of time and consistent training. So the best thing to do is to set small goals with regards to time and distance. You could start off with a small goal such as running a quarter mile without stopping in 3 weeks, running a quarter mile in X amount of time in another 2 weeks, and improve your distance to half a mile without stopping. So continue setting small goals and accomplishing them until you get to run 5K without stopping, and then you can improve your time. Tip number 2. Make sure you have proper running gear. When it comes to running, not just for fat loss but in general, it is very important to have the proper attire. This is especially true if you are running in a controlled environment such as on a track field. If you're not dressed properly, you risk injuring yourself, which will not only set you back from achieving your goal but can prove to be very painful. For example, If you wear the wrong sock or shoe, you could get blisters all over your feet that make something as simple as walking very uncomfortable. Clothing is also very important. You want to wear clothing that will keep you dry and comfortable during your run. Go for the fabrics that are breathable and will not retain your sweat, and try to avoid materials such as cotton because once they get wet, they stay wet. Now you can check out the links in the description for some of our favorite running gear. Which takes us to tip number 3. Plan your meals around your jogging time. In order to reduce or prevent that hunger pang that normally comes after running, it is best to have your meals on schedule. Try to have a meal at least 1 hour before you go for a jog. This will ensure that you are not running on an empty tank. Another important thing to do is to have a protein shake that includes some simple carbs such as a banana, which you can prepare for your post-run meal. You want to have this shake within 20 minutes after your run, and this shake will help to replace some of the electrolytes that you've just lost in the run, and the protein in the shake will help to ease your hunger until you get a chance to have another meal, which will be comprised of whole foods. And tip number 4, wear a heart rate monitor. A good heart rate monitor will give you an estimate of how intense your workout run really is. They measure your cardiovascular capacity as well as physiological stress while you are very active. The harder you exercise, and in this case the faster you run, the higher your heart rate will be. Without a heart rate monitor, it is near impossible to know with absolute certainty how well you are doing in terms of improving your heart's health. When you wear a monitor, you can track your heart rate results over a selected period of time. What you should find is that the more you run, the longer it will take to reach at least 80% of your maximum heart rate. This simply means that you are getting fitter, and the running pace that used to challenge you when you just got started is no longer challenging. So to keep improving, you will need to push yourself a tad bit more. And now we get to tip number 5. It is very important to get some rest. Quantity does not always mean quality. Don't follow the crowd and get up and run every single day. Your body needs to get rest. Resting is how your body gets to recuperate from the stress that you've placed on it. There are also other benefits to resting, which includes increased concentration, memory function, and overall mood. Medical experts recommend that you sleep for at least 8 hours a night so that your body can experience the full benefits of muscle recovery. According to bodybuilding.com, your growth hormone levels that assist in muscle recovery are at their highest when you sleep. Not all of us will be able to get 8 hours of sleep per night due to various factors, but it is important that you at least ensure that you are resting from your running exercises. A good pattern will be going for a run every other day and taking a day off between. You'll also find that by resting more, your session will be a whole lot more energized and fun because you won't be drained and stressed out from the previous day's run. In conclusion, running can be a great tool for fat loss when done right. If you want to get in shape and you're thinking about adding running to your lifestyle, make sure you follow the tips that I gave in this video. Ensure that you're nourishing your body with proper food, using the right running gear, set small goals, and make sure you get some needed rest after each session. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would really appreciate if you could just take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, remember to check out the description below for more resources to help you lose weight and live a fit and healthy lifestyle. Again, thank you so much for your time and tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.